It's super cool, guys. If you follow the steps in the video, it's going to work for you. So keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to get Hollywood Story Hack for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm not that rich, but in the mod menu, I can actually get unlimited diamonds for free. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys it actually works. So let's see if our modded money is going to be coming into our account. And I'm not sure if it's going to work, but hopefully it does work. So no, it's not receiving anything, unfortunately, but it could happen, you know? So let's see. Yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you how to download this onto your device. It's super easy. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our browser, and I just want you guys to go to this website. It's called tweakmod.com. So this site has a ton of modded apps. So when you're in the website, guys, just type Hollywood Story, press install, and before it downloads, there will be one more step, which is the verification. So this is the last step. Basically what it means is you have to download 2 apps and follow instructions. So they're 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So yeah, I don't really know about a lot of people that do this hack, so I think it's like a secret hack, which is why I made the video, honestly. So let's just give it a second. So as you can see, it's going to say missing files, so you just want to download some of these apps. You do not have to get all of them, but you can see like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds, so I download that. I could do TikTok, I could do this Swag Bucks, so just make sure you get 2 of them, and then the Hollywood Story hack will be on your device. And make sure you read what it says to do here. Very, very important that you do this, because some people do not do that. And that's how they get messed up, because they're like, oh, I downloaded the app, I didn't follow instructions. It's just not going to work. So yeah, peace out, guys.